In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Forms. Forms are a simple way to collect requests and turn them into structured tasks in the right project, so your team gets complete, consistent information every time. Start by opening the Asana project where you want new requests to land. This should be the destination project for the work you're tracking, like design requests, IT support, or content submissions. Make sure you have permission to customize the project, since we'll be changing its settings. Once you're in the project, look toward the upper right and open the Customize panel. This is the control center for tailoring how your project works. You'll see options for fields, rules, and the part we need today: Forms. In the Customize panel, select Forms. If your project doesn't have a form yet, you'll see the option to create one. If it does, you'll see existing forms listed so you can manage or improve them as your needs evolve. Click Add to create a new form. Asana will open a draft form and take you straight into the editor. Give your form a clear name that matches the type of request you're collecting, and add a brief description so submitters know exactly what to provide and how their submission will be used. Now edit the form to capture just the right details. Add questions for titles, descriptions, and any specifics your team needs to start work without back and forth. You can choose question types like short text, long text, drop-downs, and multi-select to standardize responses. Drag and drop to reorder questions in the sequence that makes the most sense for your process. Mark critical questions as required to prevent incomplete submissions, and use helper text to explain what a good answer looks like. If your project uses custom fields, map the form questions to those fields so data flows directly into your task columns. This keeps reporting and prioritization accurate. Keep the form focused. Ask only for what you truly need. And consider adding a friendly confirmation message so people know their request was received. When everything looks good, click Publish. Until you publish, your form is just a draft. Publishing makes it live and ready to accept responses. From here, each submission becomes a task in this project, following your default assignee, section, and field mappings. You can continue refining the form later. Updates you make and republish will apply to the live version. That's it. Open your project, go to Customize, choose Forms, add a form, edit it to fit your workflow, and publish. With a clean, well-structured form, your team captures the right information up front and moves from request to action without friction.